Hey everyone, this is Empress Pamela. I'm getting grounded. I'm on a road trip headed towards Emerald Isle, North Carolina. We stopped real quick. Look at this duck. Beautiful. This is where we are on our way. I hear the duck quacking. So cute. We're at this mill pond. Look, so beautiful. We're driving down the road. Let me take a walk. The ducky says quack, quack. Hey, sweetie. Here's this nice little ramp. Look at this. It's beautiful. Okay, this is part of my Getting Grounded series. We've been in the car for about 2 hours. Just feel a need to check this out, listen to nature. Really beautiful. Look at the sky. So, if you're on a road trip, pull over if you see a nice spot and take a look. Take nature in. Look at the contrast of the trees with the clouds and the sky. Beautiful. Have a great day.